Okay, we're going to be making some egg muffins this morning, and it's basically because I have a ton of stuff in the fridge and I want to use it. This is a really good way of using up random little ingredients you've got in the fridge. Because we have a big family, I am going to do as many as I can get out of these 12 eggs. So first things first, crack all the eggs. If you get any shell in the eggs, use the shell to scoop it out. It works like a magnet. Quick hack. Going as quick as I can for you guys. This isn't going to be boring. But 12 eggs going in a large bowl, and then I'm going to season it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to do right now a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream going in there. Okay guys, 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm gonna go just under a teaspoon of black pepper, it's enough. The kids will probably complain. Oh, and one last thing, I'm going to put a bit of garlic in. Squeezy garlic, technical term, 2 blobs. We're whisking because we want this. First of all, there's 12 eggs here, so who has the energy to whisk 12 eggs? But second of all, I actually want it really well mixed with the cream. Okay, so we whisked the egg for a good minute there. You can see it's well mixed and nice and frothy. Next, we're going to prepare the muffin tray. Do not hold back with your spray. The last thing you want is for the egg mixture to actually stick. So that's that. I'm using olive oil spray because that's what I had in my pantry. You could use avocado, coconut, whatever you want. But don't use coconut spray that's flavoured because that's not nice. Let's pour in. I've no idea how this is going to spread across the 12. So let's just try and get a full tin here. Let's see. I can always go back and top up each one. I'm just sort of doing them halfway so that I can get 12. Yeah, I'm going to, so that's good. Okay, and I'm going to go back and just top up the ones that look slightly low. Oh, the pepper settled at the end here. We're going to get some particularly peppery ones here, guys. Give those to my least liked child. Okay, let's talk about fillings. So this is what I have got in my fridge. Okay, so I've grated up some sharp cheddar cheese. This is a mix of mozzarella and parmesan. This is a little bit of brie. And then we have spring onions, some cut up turkey, sun-dried tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, de-seeded, some little tiny mini pepperonis and some jalapenos, and I'm basically just going to add these, not randomly. I'm going to think through which I want together. Okay, let's start with a simple one. Let's do some tomatoes and cheddar, because who doesn't love tomatoes and cheddar? In you go, little beauties. Okay, tomatoes and cheddar. How about some spring onion and brie? I mean, delicious, right? So let's do those. And actually, I'm just separating the brie here. In the spring onion and brie ones, I'm going to add some sun-dried tomatoes because that's a perfect combo. Okay, let's do some meaty ones. So let's do some turkey. Chicken. Did we say it was turkey or chicken? I don't seem to remember now. I think it's turkey. I forget. Okay, and it goes. Let's put some jalapenos in there. And it goes with a little bit of the parmesan mozzarella mix. By a bit, I mean a lot, obviously. That's that one. Okay, what next? Let's do some, did we do pepperoni already? We did not. So let's do 3 of these because that will be my son's fave. Pepperoni, and of course, cheese has to go in with that. Oh guys, these are going to be delicious. And I think we're going to go with some more tomato in these last ones because everybody in the family loves tomatoes. And I think I'm just going to add randomly to these, those to those, those to those, leave that one plain, and I'm just going to do cheese again on top. Okay guys, these are going to go in the oven now. Let's hope they don't overfill and explode. If they do, they're going to look ugly but taste delicious. If they don't, they're going to look beautiful and taste delicious. So let's see. How lovely does that look? We're going to put them in the oven. I've got the oven on 375 Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake them for about 20 minutes, I think, but I will let you know exactly how long it took. Okay, 25 minutes. Look at these beauties. I'm going to leave them to cool, take them out, and rejoice in the magnificence of the egg muffin. Okay, look at these beauties. Out of the oven. I left them to cool for as long as my patience would allow, and then I used a knife just to ease them gently out of the silicone muffin tin. But how amazing are these? So you can eat them hot or cold. That's breakfast or brunch. It's late for my entire family.